So I'm going to present my Contoso University extra credit project assignment. And we're going to start by switching to my VM. And I just want to do a quick build. Make sure everything's working. Alright, sweet. And it always takes a little while to start up. Alright, so I guess this is desktop view, and then there's your mobile view. So for one of the requirements, it was to change the fonts. So I imported it from Google Fonts. And I also added a picture from the free stock photo, which is the one I have in like this little banner type of like a school campus. I also like just used a basic color scheme, so like black, white, and like this coral, which I actually chose from the roof of the campus because I thought it would look nice. So it's not like too many colors, just like, you know, a sufficient amount. So here is the website homepage. Sorry about that. And this is the, we'll go and start with the down the list. So this is the about page. I wasn't really sure like how we were supposed to do the contact information, so I just basically did the if you have any questions, contact, and then I made my name a like email link, but not really to my email. I don't know if we had to. So there's that, and now we're going on to the students. So here's the students, and like the tutorial, well, we based it off the tutorial, so it has all the, you know, things we need to. So this works, the previous and next. We also have the search, so we'll just search Peggy. And there she is, Peggy. And we'll go back to full list. That works. And we can do, we'll create a new one. So we'll just do my name. And we'll do it today. And then we'll do, we'll hit create. And I'll just show how this little thing at the top, it goes by enrollment date. And it also can go by last name. So if we do Jalen, there's, okay, very last. But we'll do the, show the details. So my name, first name, last name, enrollment date. We'll go back to list, and then we can edit. So I can add my other last name here. We can save that. And here that is. We can also delete, but I'll show that at the end, so then we can add like everything else. So that's students. Now we'll go to courses, and as well, it's here. Go to details. You see that, and then we can go to edit and have our number, title, credit, and department in this little drop down, so you can change that. And we'll go back to list, and you can create a new one. Let's just do, I think we're 365. We'll do .NET, and then we can do credits. It's a 3-credit class. I should have added department first, but we'll just say it's mathematics. And you can create. And you can go back and edit. So, moving on, I'll come back and delete that. We'll go to instructors. So here are the instructors. And we can do, well, I guess we can first do the select. And then when you get the select, it shows the courses taught by the selected instructor. So for Kim Abercrombie, this instructor teaches English, or both English department, composition, and literature. And so if you select one of those, also like one of my things in the CSS, I chose like visited links or not visited links to be this coral color because I thought it would be cool. Like we selected it, and you're also allowed to see the students enrolled in that course for that instructor and their grade. So Peggy, she has a B. So that's really interesting. You can also edit the instructor, and it has this little checkbox that you can click on to change what they teach, what course. And then their office, location, hire date, first and last name. And then you can do details, and it will show you that as well. And we can create a new one. We'll just do me. Spell my name weird, so. And we'll do. So it's not the same person as the student. And then we'll just do that, and once you're done. And there you go. And you can select me, and it shows that. You can also edit. You can add these. And then when you look at the details, tired, last name, first name, and if we do select, you can see it. If I do the .NET, no one is enrolled in this class because I just created it. And because that one exists, there's those 2 students in there. So that's cool. Alright, so let's move on and go to the departments. So here's the departments, and then this is English, mathematics, engineering, and economics are the departments. So if you view details, it'll give you all the information, as well as if you go to edit, you can edit the name, budget, date, and instructor. And then you can also create one. And so it uses the, I guess we can do a quick one so I can show. So there we go. There's that. And then you can see the details as well. Alright, so there's that, and now I'm just gonna go back and delete everything I've created so it works well. And then go to instructors. Also, delete it. Courses, delete. Student, delete. And now if you go back and try to look for me, I don't exist anymore. So, this is my Contoso project, so that is it.